Hey everybody, welcome back to Paul's Workshop. Today's a bit of a show and tell, and it's going to be a quick one. Over my shoulder you can see what I want to show you, and that's the fire alarm setup that's here. And I have to give a shout out to Scout Crafter for reminding me I have this, and reminding me I want to do a video on it. So here's the system here. It's a pull station. It has the alarm bell that came with it and the strobe that came with it. So these came together as a set. Laying loose in a box. I had to put them together. I had to figure out how to wire them, get a power supply for it, and build a box for it all to go in so it's mounted nice on the wall. So this is the fire alarm station. Let's get a closer look at the actual pull station. Here's the pull station up close. This is by Acme Fire Alarm Company in New York. And this is the pull station. So when you pull down on this handle, obviously, that's what activates the alarm. This is a 222 alarm, which means that when you activate the station, it's going to send out the signal as a 222. So it's going to go ding, 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 ding. And that's going to help whoever's manning the control center or whoever's in the building or whatever identify the location. So let's see how this one works. And now this one will actually shut itself off. When it runs out of energy that's in it, it turns off. So this has a little like a screw here to open it. So we're gonna do that so we can see what's inside. This one has this screw in here that with a pair of pliers, or there was probably a tool for it, you can unscrew it and this will pull it forward. And now you can see inside, you can see the mechanism. And it just has kind of like almost like a clock type mechanism. And when you pull the handle, it has a little spring and a ratchet mechanism in there. And it releases the energy. And now it spins. And here is the trigger over here. Click, click. The 222. 1, 2. 1, 2. And there you can see the contactor there. And this one, if you look, it looks like it's normally closed. So when it opens, it actually opens up the contacts, and that's what makes it ring. And as I said, that'll go until this runs out of energy in it that was stored up from the spring, and then it will turn off. So it doesn't run continuously. It runs long enough for you to identify the station and go find the fire. But it doesn't need to be reset. It's almost like a self-resetting alarm. And now that came with its plastic cover, which is back on there to protect the mechanism from dust. Here it is back together. And one of the reasons I put this off for so long showing this was because I wanted to take it down to show the power supply that I put inside. It's a 24-volt power supply. And but the way it's mounted, now it's buried behind the TV and everything there. So in order to take this down, I have to take the TV down. And that's an old plasma TV. And it works, but just a pain to take it down. So there's a bracket in the back, and it's covered. In order to get this thing down, it's quite a production. So when I started this video, I forgot that I had mounted it like that. So I won't be showing you the back, but I did want to show you guys this alarm, and you can kind of see how it works. It's just a 24-volt. I think it's a computer power supply, and it has the connections on the back. And when you plug it in, actually, you can hear the fan, the cooling fan running on it. So if you listen closely, so that's the fire alarm here. It's set up, and naturally people come in and they ask, can I pull the alarm? And yeah, of course you can pull the alarm here. That's what it's for. So thanks for watching. This is my fire alarm. Again, shout out to Scout Crafter for reminding me I have this.